Hello everyone, this is Imran Pardesi sir and today we will be continuing standard 8 chapter number 3 indices and cube root. So dear students, yesterday we have seen about practice set 3.3 question number 1 and which was depend on cube root, how to find the cube root. So yesterday only I have told you to learn cubes of 1 to 10. So first we will see the revision of cube of 1 to 10 and then we will solve practice set 3.3 question number 2 and question number 3. And for this question number 2 and question number 3, it is must that you should know the cube of 1 to 10. Is it clear? So please look at the board here. I will take first revision. Cube of 1, 1. Cube of 2, 8. Cube of 3, 27. Cube of 4, 64. Cube of 5, 125. Cube of 6, 216. Cube of 7, 343. Cube of 8, 512. Cube of 9, 729. Cube of 10, 1000. This is very important. You should learn it so that you will solve practice set to 3.3 question number 2 and question number 3. My dear students, now on the board I have started one heading, how to simplify, because question number 2 of practice set 3.3 is all about simplify. So before this only 2 questions I have solved 1, 2, 3, 4 questions to make you understand how to solve practice set 3.3 question number 2. Please look at the board. How to simplify? Can you read it? Cube root of 216 upon 125. My dear students, 216 is a cube root of which number? 216 cube root of which number? 6. Yes. So I will write 6 3 times. That is cube. 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. Then 125 is the cube root. What is the cube root of 125? Cube root of 125 is 5. So I will write 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So I will write these terms in short. See, 6 cube and 5 cube. Is it clear? Then after taking the cube root, now you should take by taking cube root. अब इसका cube root ले लो तो क्या बच जाएगा अंदर? 6 upon 5. What will remain inside? 6 upon 5. Is it clear? What will come? 6 upon 5. Now see here, question number 2. Cube root of 729 upon 1000. My dear students, 729 is what is the cube root of 729? 9. So I will write 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9 3 times, right? Because it is cube. 1000 is, what is the cube root of 1000? That is 10. So I will write 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. So I will write in this indices form 9 cube and 10 cube. After taking the cube root, by taking the cube root, ये cube root हट जाएगा और ये cube भी हट जाएगा. So क्या, what will remain? 9 upon 10. Is it clear? Now my dear students, see I have made here star. This and this. Question number 2 ka 2. These 3 questions are like same because here in these 3 questions the numbers which is given over here they are not perfect cube. वो किसी के भी cube नहीं है. We have to find, हमको find करना है, उसको simplify करना है. Okay, so look at the board here. This example 54. 54 is a cube root of any number? No. 128 is a cube root of any number? No. So in this case, ऐसी condition में, ऐसी हालत में हम क्या करेंगे? हम किसी perfect cube को multiply करके check करेंगे. Is it clear? So I will 54. I will multiply. 1 के टेबल में it will be too lengthy. So see 8. 8 के टेबल में 54. No. 3. See 27. You take the answer. 27 2s are 54. Yes. 27 2s are 54. Now the question will come, sir, why we should take 27 and 2 only? Why? Because 27 is the perfect cube. It is clear? It is the perfect cube root. Is it clear? So यहाँ पर 27 3 का perfect 27 perfect cube of 3. So हम यहाँ पे 27 ही लेंगे. दोनों में से, इन 2 डिजिट में से एक नंबर किसी का परफेक्ट क्यूब होना चाहिए. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ सी हियर 128 इज पॉसिबल बाय व्हिच नंबर? 27 के टेबल में मल्टीप्लाई करो, 128 विल नॉट कम. 64 के टेबल में मल्टीप्लाई करो, 64 2s are 128. So these two and these two will get cancelled. What will remain? 27 upon 64. Question will come, sir 64 ही क्यों? 27 और 64 ही क्यों? Because 27 and 64 are perfect cube. वो किसी न किसी नंबर के perfect cube होंगे और उसके बाहर भी लिखा क्या है? Cube root. Is it clear? इसलिए वो किसी न किसी के perfect cube ही लेना है. So what will remain? 27 upon 64. 27 cube root of which number? 3. And 64 is the cube root of which number? 4. So I have written in short. Is it clear? Now by taking cube root, अब उसका cube root ले लो तो क्या बच जाएगा? 3 upon 4. Now here also cube root of 24 upon 192. 24 is cube of any number? No. So multiply 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. Yes. Now 192 is the cube root of any? No. Multiply 27. Multiply 64. So 64 के टेबल में कम. 64 threes are 192. So this 3 and this 3 will get cancel. What will remain? 8 upon 64. So which number is cube root of 8? 2. Which number is cube root of 64? 4. Is it clear? So after taking the cube root, by taking cube root, what will remain? 2 upon 4. 2 upon 4 will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. It is simplify. Is it clear? Like this only. See this question number 2 also. Cube root of 16 upon 54. 16 is a cube, perfect cube? No. But can I multiply 8 twos are 16? I will expand it. Yes, you should expand it. You should factorize it. 8 twos are 16. 8 twos are 16. And 54 you have solved here. Yes, 54, 27. So 27 twos are 54. 8 twos are 16. 2 2 will get cancelled. What will remain? 8 upon 27. 8. Which number is a cube root of 8? 2. And which number is cube root of 27? 3. So I will write 8 की जगह पे 2 cube and 27 की जगह पे 3 cube. Is it clear? So by taking cube root, अब उसका cube root ले लो तो क्या बच जाएगा? 2 upon 3. Now see the question number 1. 27. Which number is cube root of 27? 3. So I have multiplied 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. I have written in indices form 3 cube. Then 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, which is cube root of 125. So I have written in indices form 5 cube. By taking cube root, उसका cube root ले लो. So what will remain? 3 and 5. Is it clear? These two questions will be extra. This everything you have to write. This is also extra and these two also will be extra. You should write everything in your notebook. See here, 512 cube root of 8. 8, 8, 8. 8 cube. 1000, 10, 10, 10. Is it clear? 1000 is a cube root of 10. So I will write 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. So indices form 8 cube and 10 cube. By taking cube root ले लो, it will be 8 upon 10. So 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So answer will be 4 upon 5. Now here 125. Which number cube root? It is 5. So 5 5 5. 729. It is cube root of 9. So it is 9 9 9. Is it clear? So 5 indices form and 9 also in indices form. After taking the cube root, the answer will be 5 upon 9. I hope you understood this and you will write in your notebook everything. Now we will see question number 3 and some extra questions. Now after question number 2, we will see practice set 3.3 question number 3. Dear student, please pay attention. Question number 3 is if cube root of 729 is 9, then cube root 0.000729 is equals to question mark. So my dear students, we should focus on this number 729. So what is the cube root of 729? Is 9. Okay. Now see here. What will I do? We know मुझे 729 का cube root पता है. That is 9. Okay. But I don't know this 000. ये सब नया है. This is new for me. So what I will do? I will give punch on this 0। अब मैं इस डेसिमल पॉइंट को पंच मार के हटा दूंगा। आई डोंट वांट इट, मुझे वो नहीं आता है। सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल राइट this term in this form, cube root, see here I will write cube root, set ये 0 ये 0.00 ये हटा देंगे, so I will write only 729, okay, upon, okay, so decimal point after how many digits are there, decimal point के आगे कितने digits हैं, 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it is 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, it means there was unit 10 100,000 10,000 lakh 10 lakh. Is it clear? So I can write this cube root into this form, okay, and when you will write in a cube root form, so decimal point after 6 digits will convert in 100. So please pay attention here. 729, what is the cube root of 729? 9, okay, and what is the cube root of this 10 lakh? Unit 10 100,000 10,000 lakh 10 lakhs, okay, so it will be 100. Is it clear? So my dear students, this will convert, do you know this, you had learned in 6th standard, write the number in the decimal form. So this, if a denominator has 20, so the numerator will be written in, after 2 digit there will be a decimal point. See 9 was there, this 20 I had increased, हमने बढ़ाए और 2 digit के बाद decimal point will come. I hope you understood what I am saying. Please pay attention here now. See the extra question. If cube root 512 is 8, then fine. Okay, so first what I will do, first I will write this question. Cube root of 0.000512 is equals to, I know the cube root of 512, मुझे cube root पता है 512, किसका cube root है, 8 का, ओके, तो मुझे उतना पता है, I don't know this about this 0, so I will punch it, मैं उसे बुक्का मार के हटा दूंगा, I don't want this decimal point, मुझे decimal point नहीं चाहिए, so how I will write it, cube root, I will write 512 upon, अभी कितने आएंगे, count after decimal point के after count करो, 1 2 3 4 5 6, it is 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, and then it is 10 lakh, unit 10 100,000 10,000 lakh 10 lakh. Is it clear? So now you will write 5, what is the cube root of 512? 512 का cube root क्या है, 8 upon, और 10 lakh का cube root क्या है, what is the cube root of 10 lakh is 100, okay, so what you will write at last, we know this, how to write this in a decimal form, yes, 100 has 2 zeros, 100 के कितने zero है, 2 zero, so point will come after 2 digit, 2 digit के बाद point आएगा. Is it clear? I hope you understood here, okay, now listen, at last you should mention it, that cube root of 0.000729 is equals to 0.09. Is it clear? This is your final answer. Here also you will write the final answer. Therefore, cube root of 0.000512 is answer will be 0.08. Okay. Now here also see, if cube root of 216 is 6, then what is the cube root of 0.00216? First I will write this term here, cube root of 0.000216. I will write this in a fractional form. How you will write, you don't want this decimal point, आपको ये decimal point नहीं चाहिए. You know about this, that cube root of 216 is which number, 6, yes, so you will write 6 cube root of 6, okay, now write 216, you will write here 216, okay, now after decimal point how many digits, 1 2 3 4 5 6, I will write 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1. Is it clear? So I will write the answer now. What is the cube root of 216? 6. Okay, what is the cube root of 10 lakh? You will write 100. Okay, now you will write this fraction in a decimal form. अब इसको आपको decimal form में लिखना है. 100 had how many zeros? 2 zeros. So 6 before 2 0 you will increase, and after 2 digit, ये 2 digit की यहाँ पर you will put decimal point. Is it clear? Now at last you should write therefore cube root of 0.000216 is equals to 0.06. Is it clear? Now here also question number 6. See, question number 4, 5, 6 will be extra to you. Okay, so I will write the solution. If cube root 343 is 7, then cube root 0.00343 is how much? So I will write first cube root 0.000343 is equals to, I will write in a perfect fractional form, that is 343. I know the cube root of 343, that's why I will use only first 343, and decimal point after how many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I will use 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1. Is it clear? So now I know 343. What is the cube root of 343? 7. So I will write 7 upon, what is the cube root of this 10 lakh? I will use 100. Okay, so what will be the answer? 100 has 2 zeros. Okay, so 700, and after this unit 10, here it will come decimal point. At last you have to write cube root of 0.000343 is equals to 0.07. I hope you understood. This was the only question in textbook. I have written this extra. Question number 4, question number 5, question number 6 will be extra to you. Dear students, हमें सिर्फ 512 का किसका क्यूब रूट है? We know. ये 000 हमें पता नहीं था. So how we will simplify it? हम उसको क्या करेंगे? सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. हम उसको फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म में लिखेंगे, डेसिमल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, and then you will get the answer easily. Is it clear? I hope you understood this, and you will solve all the questions in your notebook. Here we finish our chapter number 3. At last you can write the end. 3 chapters we finished here, and then next session we will start the next chapter. Is it clear? Thank you so much. Have a good day.